Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this locomotive over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, we'll be starting up with some other assets over here into this. So now I'll again go over here. What I can do over here is like I can slightly increase its height if required, slightly. So I'll be slightly increasing its height. I'll just drag this up. So I'll just push this a bit up. Now into this, I'll go over here and I'll put one swift loop over here. So let's add one swift loop. So I'll add one swift loop over here. Let's go into this and scale it from the top. Again I'll add one more swift loop over here. So again I'll go into this. Let's select the polygons and let's extrude it a bit inside. So I'm going to extrude it in the negative axis a bit in this way. So let's take a box. Let's go to the front view. I'll activate this auto grid over here. So let's drag it, convert to poly, select the polygons, select the vertices. So I'll go to the side view and slightly I'll rotate it, place it in this way, and let's just drag it in this way. So I'll make it multiple copies over here. Alright, so once it is done, I'll again go over here and so I think we could have extruded this area. So select this, and let's put one loop at the corner as well. So select the polygons, extrude it a bit inside in negative axis. So let's just drag it over here. So let's just duplicate it. I can do the same thing over here. So I'll keep on duplicating this down. So I can just select this whole thing. Let's just make a copy of it. So I'll just save the file once. Let's go over here. I'll take a box over here. I'll just drag this up, push it at one side over here. So convert to poly over here. So select the vertices. So slightly drag it inside. Select the polygons. Let's give a bit of chamfer. So I can just select the edges over here. So before that, I'll put some segments. So let's select all the edges and let's give a bit of chamfer to it. Now, again I'll add one more stuff over here. We need to make this a bit smoother. If you can make it smoother, we can. So I can add some segments if required. So I'll again go into this. Let's give turbo smooth. So we can add turbo smooth, but before that I need to add some segments here, here, okay. So we'll add this later. So first I'll just end isolate it. Again, let's go to the top view over here. Again, I'll take a line. So I'll off this. I'll just drag it in this way. So I can just push this up. Can just drag this, select the vertices in this way. So select the vertices. Let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll slightly reduce this. So let's again mirror it, copy it in y-axis. Now okay, so after mirroring it, I'll just shuffle this wherever it is required. Okay, just place it in this way. Let's go over here. Let's take a rectangle. I'll activate the auto grid. Let's create a rectangle. So I'll go into this, I'll off this, convert to editable spline, select the vertices. Let's give fillet, extrude it, convert to poly. Let's take a spear. So I'll just take a spear over here in this way. I'll put a, so convert to poly. I'll select the polygons, border, cap it, and extrude it. So end isolate it. If it is isolate, you can just end isolate it. Just drag this till here slightly. I can scale it and I'll make a copy of it. So select the polygons and slightly you can add insert, select this, ring it, select the edges and extrude it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.